All right, let's talk about scaling your business. Imagine what it would be like to grow faster, cut costs without sacrificing quality, and create those personalized customer experiences that build fierce loyalty, all powered by one AI tool. What if that tool was already available to you? Think of Gemini as your business's secret weapon, like the Millennium Falcon, ready to make those impossible runs and deliver incredible results.
Mike's got the hat, the AI kind. Unlocking power in business you'll find. Cut through the hype, explore the tech. Every week, new ideas to check. All 10 leads us on a digital quest. AI secrets he'll always invest. Tune in tight, don't miss a beat. Knowledge groove, keep you on your feet. Listen up to the AI flow. Business growth, here we go. Cutting edge insights, that's the plan. With the AI hat, you'll understand.
Now, you're running a small business, right? You're probably feeling overwhelmed, wearing too many hats, and wondering how your competitors seem to get so much more done. What if you could seriously multiply your productivity without hiring a bunch of new people or working even longer hours? So, welcome to the first episode of my 6-part mini-series, Gemini for Business. Over the next 6 weeks, we're going to mix these shorter, more impactful episodes in with our regular interview episodes. I'm excited about this because we'll be diving deep into how Gemini can really revolutionize your business. And in this episode, I'm going to explore 3 AI breakthroughs that you can achieve with Gemini today. I'm talking actionable strategies to drive some serious growth for your business. And here's the thing. Leaning on a leading LLM as your primary AI system, smart move, especially since many of you are probably already paying for Google Workspace or a Google Drive account. Gemini might be included. I know it was for me, or it could be a really easy transition. So get ready to discover how Gemini can seriously supercharge your marketing, operations, and customer service. This is good stuff. Okay, marketing. Let's be honest. Is it a struggle? Are you trying to create a ton of engaging, high-quality content? Do you find it hard to personalize your messaging and really connect with your audience? And are you just drowning in data, unsure which metrics actually matter? Here's the deal. Inefficient marketing costs businesses a lot. Think about campaigns that totally missed the mark, wasted ad spend on the wrong people, and missed opportunities because you were a little too slow to respond. It adds up, right? If you're feeling overwhelmed by these challenges, you're definitely not alone. Most SMBs I talk to are in the same boat. Gemini can be your total marketing powerhouse. It can help you generate killer content at scale, personalize your messages like crazy, and analyze your campaign performance with laser precision. Just imagine this. You've got a content calendar packed with awesome blog posts, social media updates that people actually want to read, and email newsletters that don't get deleted instantly, all created with the help of Gemini. Think about how much time that frees up. And you can use Gemini to really tailor your messaging to specific customer segments so your campaigns really resonate. It's almost like having a one-on-one conversation with every single customer, but at scale. Gemini can also dig into all that marketing data, spot trends and patterns that a human would totally miss. And this lets you optimize your campaigns in real time and seriously boost that ROI. That's not just theory, right? Businesses are already seeing some great results with Gemini-powered marketing. For example, Kraft Heinz dramatically accelerated its marketing campaign creation by using Gemini, cutting the time required from 8 weeks down to just 8 hours. Because Gemini lets you create those super targeted campaigns and personalize your messaging, you're going to see higher engagement rates, better conversion rates, and ultimately more revenue. So here's your first step. Supercharge your marketing today. Use Gemini to generate, say, 3 different headlines for your next social media campaign. Then think about which headline is most likely to grab your audience's attention. Now it's the time to jump in and see what Gemini can do for your marketing. Okay, let's talk operations. Are you spending too much time on repetitive tasks? Are you struggling to streamline your workflows and eliminate bottlenecks? Is it difficult to analyze complex data and make informed decisions quickly? Inefficient operations can really hold a business back. Think about the time wasted on manual data entry, the errors that creep in, and the delays that frustrate both employees and customers. If you're feeling bogged down by operational inefficiencies, you're definitely not alone. It's a common challenge for many SMBs. Gemini can be a game changer for your entire operations. It can automate repetitive tasks, streamline workflows, and analyze complex data to help you make smarter decisions faster. Imagine automating those tedious tasks like data entry and report generation. Bring up your team to focus on more strategic work. Think about how much more productive they'd be. For example, Gemini can analyze complex operational data, spot trends, and generate reports, providing you with actionable insights to optimize your workflows. And Gemini can even help you make better decisions by quickly analyzing large data sets and providing you with actionable insights. Businesses are seeing significant operational improvements with Gemini. For example, American addiction centers use Gemini for Google Workspace to dramatically reduce the time required for employee onboarding, cutting it from 3 days down to just 12 hours. By leveraging Gemini to automate tasks, streamline workflows, and analyze data, you'll free up your team, reduce errors, and make smarter decisions faster. So here's your action item for this section. Start identifying one repetitive task that's currently consuming a lot of your team's time. Then brainstorm how Gemini could automate or streamline that task. Now is the time to optimize your operations and unlock new levels of efficiency with Gemini. All right, customer engagement. Are you finding it tough to provide personalized support at scale? Are you struggling to keep up with all those customer inquiries? And are you kind of in the dark about how your customers really feel about your brand and what you're offering? Look, in today's competitive market, customer experience is everything. If you don't provide personalized and fast support, customers will bolt to a competitor who does it better. It's that simple. Poor customer service leads to high churn, bad reviews, and a seriously damaged reputation. If you're looking to improve your customer engagement, you're definitely not alone. This is a huge challenge for a lot of SMBs. But here's the good news. Gemini can help you build stronger, more meaningful relationships with your customers. It can personalize your customer communications and even analyze customer feedback to pinpoint exactly where you need to improve. Gemini can analyze customer data to understand individual preferences and tailor your communications, and this creates a much more personal and engaging experience. For example, Gemini could analyze a bunch of customer feedback from surveys, reviews, and social media to spot trends and patterns. And this gives you the insights to proactively address any concerns and make your products and services even better. Businesses are using Gemini to enhance customer interactions. For example, Mercedes-Benz, they're using Gemini to power more natural and sophisticated conversational interactions for drivers, enhancing the in-car experience. By using Gemini to provide personalized communications, you'll increase customer satisfaction, improve retention rates, and build stronger brand loyalty. So here's your action item from this section. Start thinking about how you can personalize your customer communications. Could you use Gemini to tailor your email marketing campaigns or create more personalized product recommendations? Now is the time to start creating those exceptional customer experiences with Gemini. All right, so I've been throwing around the name Gemini a lot in this episode, but what is it really? Well, Gemini is Google's most advanced AI. It's designed to be multimodal, which is a fancy way of saying it can understand and process all kinds of information: text, code, audio, images, even videos. It's also super efficient and integrates seamlessly into the Google tools you and your team are already using, like Google Workspace. But Gemini isn't just another AI tool. It's a powerful way for you to empower your business to achieve pretty remarkable results. And here's the kicker. Because it's often built right into the tools you're already paying for, it's a really easy transition. Think of Gemini as the engine that powers the Millennium Falcon, enabling it to make those seemingly impossible jumps and navigate even the trickiest situations with total ease. It's the brains behind the operations. So Are you ready to unlock these AI breakthroughs for your business? I've got something that'll really help you get started. It's the AI Work Buddy. This tool is your guide to creating your very first custom gem, which is like creating your own AI version of yourself, ready to help you out anytime you need it. And for a limited time, I'm offering a special bonus to make it even easier for you to jump in. Just head over to theaihat.com/AI Work Buddy to download the AI Work Buddy and start your journey to AI empowerment. You can also find the link in the show notes, so it's super easy for you to find. Next week, I'm going to dive even deeper into the world of AI. We'll be comparing Gemini with other powerful tools like ChatGPT, and I'll help you decide which AI is the perfect fit for your specific business needs. So, to recap, Gemini can really drive significant growth in your marketing, operations, and customer engagement efforts. The key is to focus on those practical use cases and implement those actionable strategies. That's where you'll see the real magic happen. And don't forget to download the AI Work Buddy at theaihat.com/AI Work Buddy to start creating your first custom gem and see the power of personalized AI assistants. Thanks so much for hanging out for me today. I really appreciate you taking the time to learn about this stuff. Now, if you're ready to take your AI implementation to the next level and want some personalized guidance, head over to my website, theaihat.com. I've got consulting and training services, including the AI workshop in a box to help you make this happen. The future of business, it's AI powered, no doubt about it. So don't get left behind. Start your Gemini journey today. Welcome to the grid. That's a wrap on another episode of the AI Hat Podcast. I hope you gained some valuable insights and actionable strategies to boost your business with AI. If you enjoyed the show, please subscribe, leave a review, and share it with your network. And don't forget to visit theaihat.com for more resources and to connect with me. Until next time, keep innovating, and remember, the future of business is human and it's powered by AI.